Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to restore backup and how to transfer data on the REALME GT8 Pro. Okay, so first I'll show you how you can transfer the data from your previous device into your REALME, then I'll restore the backup from Google One, and then I'll show you how you can restore the backup from your PC. So let's begin. Select your language. As you can see, we are doing the setup process, and then select your region and click on Next. Click on Next once again. And now we have the option that we are interested in, setup using another device. As you can see on my old phone, and an option for the setup appeared. But first, let's select the device type of our previous phone. Now let's click on Setup. If it doesn't appear, you can manually scan this code using your camera app. So now scan the code. Also need to verify by drawing my screen lock. Now, as you can see, our REALME is automatically connecting to the Wi-Fi. Now we need to wait a little bit. Okay, now click on Next when you have possibility to copy apps and the data. It needs to load, so simply be patient. Okay, and now select the things that you want to copy. In my case, I want everything except the apps, so I will unselect it. When it comes to things such as Google Photos, Google Contacts and Calendar, and also the Gmail, those things are synced automatically. Then click on Copy. Now you can select the unlock method. Click on More, and Accept. We can also turn on the backup functions. Always highly recommend to do it. Select your search engine and the browser. Click on Set as Default. Click on More. You can enable that feature that will let you launch the Gemini by simply saying, "Hey Google." It is up to you. I don't want anything else. We're nearly done. Okay, copying is finished, so click on Done. Click on Next. Click on More, Agree. Select navigation method, gestures or buttons. Then click on Done. Okay, all set. And now we are ready to use our device. Also, don't disconnect from the Wi-Fi yet, because some of the things might still be synced in the background. You'll be able to monitor it right in here in the notification bar. You can see that Google Contacts are being synced. So wait until everything is downloaded and restored. And now I'll go straight into the second method, which will be restoring the backup from Google One. Okay, and now let's restore the backup from Google One. As you can see, we're again during the setup process. But this time, when we have possibility to set up our phone using another one, we need to click on Skip. We need to connect to the Wi-Fi manually, so select available network and type password. Then hit on Save and click on Next. Now we need to wait a little bit. Okay, now click on Next. Now let's select that we cannot use other device. Click on OK. And now we have the possibility to sign in into Google account. And it is really important that we need to sign in into the exact same Google account on which we made the backup before, because if you sign in into wrong account, you won't have possibility to restore your backup. So, first type the mail. Then click on next, and we also have type the password. Okay, and now I also need to verify on my second device, so you just need to give me a second. Okay, now click on agree. And now select the backup that you want to restore. In my case, I want this one. When it comes to things such as Google Photos, Gmail, Calendar, and Drive, they are synced automatically. And I want to restore everything except my apps, so I will unselect them, and now click on restore if you have selected everything that you want. Okay, and now we have to go through the setup process, so we can set the unlock method. I'm about to skip it. It's always available later in the settings. And now we have the Google services. Simply click on more and accept. Now we have backup services. They are also really useful, so I will turn them on. Now we need to select the default browser and the search engine. I'll pick Google Chrome as my default browser, and also the Google as my search engine. Let's continue the setup. Click on more and next. In here we can turn on the feature that will let us turn on the Gemini by simply saying, "Hey Google." Why not? Let me turn it on. Okay, now we need to wait. Click on next, more, agree, agree. Select the navigation method, buttons or gestures. Hit on done. We are all set. Click the arrow, and now we are ready to use our phone. As you can see, some of the things are being restored in the background, so don't disconnect from the Wi-Fi yet and wait until everything is synced. Okay, that was the second method, and now I'll show you how you can restore the backup from your PC. Okay, now to restore the backup from our PC, open up the settings, go into System and Update, Backup and Reset, Backup and Migrate, and the local backup. And for now, let's create a new backup just for a second, because we need to create a folder with the backup in the internal storage of our device. So that is why we have created a really quick backup. You can only create a backup, for example, of your, I don't know, system settings. And now, connect your phone into your PC using the USB-C cable. Now, open up notification bar, click on charging this device via USB, select File Transfer / Android Auto, and now open up File Explorer, go into this PC, select your REALME, internal shared storage. We have to wait until it loads. Open up the internal shared storage. Now go into Android, Data, find the folder Backup Restore, go into Backup, now Data. That's the folder with the backup that we have just created, so we can delete it. And now copy the backup that you want to restore. It may take a little bit, so simply be patient. Okay, and if it has been copied, go into local backup, select the backup, it will appear right in here, and then click on start, and the restoring process will begin. Okay. Alright, that's all on this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.